Sunrise here at the hotel and general store. Well, good morning. We're still here at the hotel and general store, and I did get some drone video of the area, which is kind of cool. Probably not a whole lot of it to show, just a little bit of the area. Flew up the canyons, flew through the store. Well, not through it, into it, and then up. I'm not that good to go through the little door. But this is kind of what we do in the morning. Carol's in cooking, setting off the alarm. Get ready for some breakfast, and we're going to head into Moab today. Try to get some showers on the way. There's a RV park down the way, and Carol's going to do some shopping in Moab, so I don't know exactly what all we're going to do while we're there. We're not sure. We may take a different route into Moab than normal, too. Instead of going by arches and canyonlands, we may go in a different way. That'd be kind of cool. All right. We will see you guys on the road. Okay. Oh, you just want to play. You just want to play. You just want to play. Well, we have gotten our showers.
Clean hair.
Clean hair, clean bodies. And of course, as soon as I turned it on, we can't see them, but I wanted you to see the LaSalle Mountains out in the distance.
Now, I was told yesterday in Cisco that Kevin Costner is filming a movie down here.
Oh, that's right.
Not his Yellowstone series, but a movie, and the set includes some Native American teepee looking things. So
yeah, and there's the LaSalle's out there now, a little bit off center to the right. Yeah, so maybe we'll see a movie set. It is absolutely gorgeous out here. Look at all these orange flowers. I mean, we have just seen
scarlet globe mallows.
Okay, whatever. I don't know why they're scarlet when they're orange.
When they're orange. That maybe I have it wrong.
But yeah, they have just been everywhere. And then this red grass with the green. I mean, this rain has been a pain in the butt, but it sure has made a lot of places extra beautiful. All right, well, we'll catch up with you at some point along the road, I'm sure. Okay. I'm trying to get a view of the Colorado River here, which we've gone by, and it's just incredibly full. I don't think I've ever, well, I know I've never seen it this full. Look at that sucker. Yeah, it's flooding on the other side, all the way across the valley here. We'll pretty much follow the Colorado all the way into Moab. All right, Just a little some road shots as we go right along the edge of the Colorado River. Carol's favorite kind of road.
Yeah, this time if you fall off, you just drown.
Interrupting my hyperlapse. Isn't this a nicer way to go?
Yeah.
It's almost like being in the Grand Canyon, isn't it? Driving along the Colorado River. Okay, we're coming up to the river here, and obviously there's a heck of a lot of people getting ready to go out on a float. And I believe we have some coming down the river here as well. They're moving pretty freaking fast. Gonna hear more coming. It's like cattle boats. There's so many people on them. Guess that keeps the cost down. And you can see the self-propelled log. Hey, we have a launch here. Get to watch a launch. Got one boat headed out anyway over there. See this guy getting his oars fixed up. Now they're getting ready to push this one out. It seems like they're all hunkering down around behind this tree here. So they go more as a group. It'd be interesting to watch this guy as they find the current. Looks like they're finding the current. On the edge of it, starting to move sideways. That'd be a little more exciting though. There's always a kid with his tongue stuck out. All right, well, we got a little bit of a raft launch, right? Wasn't too exciting. It's kind of cool though how there's no current up close, and then when they get out, all of a sudden you can see them turn. So yeah, that was pretty cool. And we're gonna get back on the road here, and I think we're gonna be driving up a little side canyon here. All right, well, we are driving into Fisher Towers. Nice bumpy road. Look at the cool scalloping and stuff up there. We'll make sure we get some good shots of that. That is absolutely incredible. It's like feathers. Little look. We're not rock climbers, so we're not going to be climbing Fisher Towers. We're probably not even going to be hiking too much. You never know. All right, so we're here at the Fisher Towers, and I thought it was just really interesting here. All the scalloping and stuff on the side of the rocks. Unfortunately, we are on the wrong side here. Let's go over here to this side. It's actually pretty cool. Again, it's so cool, these little tiny, look how small that looks. I mean, I don't know, if I was up there climbing, how small those are. It's almost like someone built them there rather than just a natural form. Very interesting. Very cool. Fisher Towers. All right, we're gonna probably move on towards Moab. There was an awesome geological feature that there was nothing we could do to turn out to get. It looked almost like a ridge had just collapsed, and both sides of it, like on one side and the other. Anyway, it's hard to describe. But
It was all pointing 45-degree angle.
Yeah, it was really bizarre. Like it melted, like somehow underneath it had melted and collapsed. All right, so we drove back to show you guys, and you can just see how the ridge, so the ridge right here just kind of collapses and it kind of turns towards us. And then you can see in the back where they came down, then turned in a little bit behind us. So like they broke apart or something, like something pushed them and broke them down. So this road that we just took the photographs on of the geological thing, I think it's a new road, and it's part of the Kevin Costner movie, because the sign that Carol is screwing with right now, scene 36 sign. So if someone comes along, they won't be able to find where they're supposed to be because of one photographer trying to do her thing. Well, hopefully you can see the Colorado over here. Boy, it's just a boiling, and it is high. There were areas that were obviously totally flooded, and 2 channels of the river had formed. I don't know if we got a picture of the Green River when we were in Green River, Utah. Man, we've never seen that as high. I mean, we go there a lot. Almost every trip down here, we're in Green River, and we often camp right on the Green River. But man, it was higher than I've ever seen it. So, could be a good year for the reservoirs, maybe a bad year for a lot of people's homes. All right, I'm gonna sign off and see you in a bit. Well, we made it into Moab, and it's a Thursday, and I think I had mentioned that Moab is just busy all the time. I don't know about the winter, but spring through fall. Yeah, the gas is up 408. Yeah, they put the gas up, I guess, for the weekend. We paid $3.75 in Green River. It's the world we live in. Yeah, I'm gonna turn this off. We're gonna look for a place to eat. Don't know what's next, but we'll let you know. All right.